what's your favorite verse that you wanna
John
recite?
3:16.
Okay, come. You can recite now.
I need the paper.
I already know it.
John 3:16. Whoever
For
For God so loved the world, He gave His one and only Son to be on earth. And whoever believes in Him will not perish but have eternal life.
Okay, John 3:16. For God so loved the world that He gave His one and only Son, so that whoever believes in Him shall not. Why is that your favorite verse?
I had to do it because John 3:16, that's when Jesus died on the cross.
Why is it important to you to know and believe that Jesus died on the cross?
So that's how He saved us
Saved us from what?
from sin. So it's like this. So us and God, when sin came in, He cut the relationship of God and us.
Sin cut the relationship between us and God. Yes.
And then when God's Son came to earth and died, that's the important part. He taped it back together.
Oh, yeah, that's why you like that verse. Okay, so we'll also remember some of the verses that you learned this quarter. Okay, Proverbs 12:14.
Proverbs 12:14.
From the fruit
From the fruit of his lips, his head is filled with good things. As surely as the work of his hand rewards him.
Okay. Proverbs 12:16.
Proverbs 12:16.
Fool
A fool shouts his annoyance at once, but a prudent man overlooks an insult.
Thank you, Nanay. Okay, we've been reading about who in the Bible.
David.
Okay, what's your favorite scene or thing that happened with David?
When David killed the giant, Goliath.
What is there any part that you don't like about the life of David so far from what we've read?
When he left, I don't know.
You like all parts? Okay, what's happening to David so far from what we read?
What?
What happened between Saul and David in the cave?
Saul and David?
Yeah. How did David save Saul's life in the cave?
He like cut his cape off.
How is that saving Saul's life?
I don't know about that.
The title of the chapter is that. What was the suggestion of David's friend when they saw Saul sleeping on all his other...
No, in Secret Book, you take a party.
Okay. And then he had an opportunity to do what? What was Saul trying to do to David?
Kill.
Okay. So what's the suggestion of David's friend when they saw that Saul was sleeping? There were 2 times that they saw Saul, diba? One was when he went to a party, and then the other one is when he was sleeping soundly. What was the friend of David suggest? What was his suggestion?
To kill him.
Kill who?
Saul.
What did David say?
No, and he just sliced a part of his cape.
Okay. Okay. We're also still learning about obedience. What does obedience mean?
Doing the work of person or a task.
That's attentiveness.
I forgot it though.
How, when we discipline you, Daddy will say, how will you not get spanked?
By obedience.
Okay, how soon should you obey?
Right away.
Okay, what's another word for right away?
Now. Now.
Okay, so obedience is slow. Is it slow?
Fast.
Or obedience is quick,
Neat and cheerfully. Shown.
carrying out
Carrying out it.
the
Important thing.
the wise
decision whose
direction
who are responsible for you.
of those who are responsible for you. Who's responsible for you?
Tita Mira.
When mommy and daddy are
Mom
not
and
here.
Daddy.
Mom and dad. We are the main people responsible for you. Okay. What's the meaning of attentiveness or being focused?
Knowing the words a person or task. Giving my undivided concentration.
Okay. Thank you, Jalal. How about you said, did you improve in terms of being kind to Kali?
Yeah.
How did you improve? What did you do?
Playing with her.
And yesterday you said you're learning how to
Be gentle.
and calm down, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Jalal.
Calm
Bye.
down.